friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very refreshing kiwi lemonade that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This refreshing kiwi lemonade, these are my few ingredients: a pinch of salt, granulated sugar, lemons, kiwis, and water. This is everything you need to refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. So let's get started. To prepare this delicious and refreshing kiwi lemonade, I am using my organic lemons. Yes, and I'm going to take 2 slices that I'm going to reserve for the end. And here with this little gadget, I am going to remove all that amazing juice from the lemons. And I'm not going to leave anything behind. Where can you find this little gadget? In any supermarket. I bought this one at Walmart. But here I want to show you how easy it is to make an amazing and refreshing kiwi lemonade at home. Use the fruit that is in season to make your amazing lemonades. Instead of enjoying a soft drink, make a lemonade at home. You know what your family loves and the fruit your family loves. Well, here, after I got all the juice out of the lemons, I am going to remove the seeds, being very careful removing every single one. I know that this takes time, but let me tell you, I am really going to enjoy this kiwi lemonade. Easy to prepare with very few ingredients, and you have control of how much sugar you add into your lemonades. I have my 5 kiwis that I'm going to be very careful and removing the skin without removing the pulp. This is going to take time, family, but I am going to remove all the skin and get all my kiwis ready to make this amazing and refreshing lemonade at home. Remember, when you make it at home, you make it with a lot of love, and it really comes out delicious. And here I am going to use 2 kiwis, and I am going to cube them in very small little pieces so that when you are drinking it, you could really enjoy those little tiny pieces and you bite into them. Look at this. The smaller, the better. And now I am ready to add these kiwis into my blender cup, my NutriBullet. I'm going to add my simple syrup, my lemon juice, and the pinch of salt. How do you make your simple syrup? 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water. You put it to boil, and then you let it sit until it comes to room temperature. I'm adding the little pieces of the kiwi, adding some water, reserving, and then blending away. Of course, when you blend away your kiwi, you could really see those amazing colors. The kiwi by itself doesn't have too much color. It's a very light green. I'm going to add it here into the mixture of the little pieces and water, and look at the color. I really want the color to be nice and green so that when you see this lemonade, you really start enjoying it only by looking at it. So here I am going to add 4 to 5 drops of food coloring. It's optional, but let me show you how it makes a difference. I am going to add the drops and then I'm going to mix away. Look at the color this is going to get. Of course, this is going to look just amazing and taste so refreshing. Of course, I'm not going to add any ice to the pitcher. I am going to only add ice to the glass that I am going to enjoy. I don't want to water it down. So when my family comes from work and from school, they are ready to enjoy a glass of kiwi lemonade. And now I am ready to pour it into the pitcher and then enjoy it with lots and lots of ice. And if you got to this part of the video, you love this lemonade, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget, only here with Cooking with Gloria, you will enjoy so many different types of lemonades. Just go Cooking with Gloria lemonades or agua frescas, and you're going to have so many different kinds of refreshing lemonades. Well, here I am ready to enjoy. Let me get my glass ready with lots of ice. Remember, like, subscribe, and share. And let's enjoy. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing and refreshing kiwi lemonade. This is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. So delicious and refreshing. Perfect for this hot weather. If you like and love this amazing kiwi lemonade, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing and refreshing kiwi lemonade. See you soon. Bye-bye.